Now, in this video, I will show you how to find airdrops and how to know what the airdrops to farm. Now, what are you going to do? Just go to your X, that is crypto Twitter now. When you get there, click on quote testnet. When you quote it, you're going to see some base charts that are going to be talking about airdrop. This one posted 18 hours ago. So you're just going to click on it, assuming you're looking for quality airdrops to farm. Now, mind you, this will be a short clip. I might as well make a video on each of them and how to farm them. So this project now raised $16 million. Now, this is a guide, this is a pure guide on how to do this airdrop and airdrops to farm, So now this particular project raised $60 million, and here is a complete guide on how to do it. And mind you, it says free testnet airdrops to farm. So right now we're going to go to faucet, and if you are if you want to farm these airdrops, you can actually click on them and keep on farming them. I'm just showing you how to find them. And please, before you click on any link on X, make sure that you're following the profile, or that the profile is a verified thread, or someone that makes verified influencer. So as you can see, we have I have some let's say we have followers in common, and these are actually people I used to follow when I was into airdrops. So now when you just click on back, go to some of the airdrops, look at them and know the ones that catches your fancy, the one you think you can do, and get over with it and start farming them. So now this one has to do with your mobile phone. You're going to download it and use it. So looking at this, it says monad xyz, get test token, all this stuff. Now as time goes on, maybe in my next video I'm going to do some tutorial on how to farm some of them, especially on union build and Ari chain. Thank you. Please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the post notification button so that when I drop a video, you'll be the first to know about it. Thank you.